important to seek medical treatment if possible.
So you touched on about reaching out to medical as soon as possible. But, another thing that a lot of people suffer from is if they have to start to feel better, maybe they have a lapse in their treatment or there's not as much consistency. Talk about how consistency in medical records can be just as important as starting off as soon as possible, because it's difficult to prove why an injury was caused if you wait too long.
Yeah. So just treatment it's really important to, like I just said, get your foot in the door. That's obviously the first step, but it's very important to listen very, very closely to what these medical professionals are telling you to do as far as how you can help yourself. Whether they say come back in a week. If they say come back in a week, go back in a week, period. Unless
even if you're feeling better.
Even if you're feeling better, if you're
that'll prove that anyway.
If you're feeling better, obviously no need to go back necessarily. Probably better safe than sorry. But if you're told to come back for a follow-up appointment, if you're recommended to get an MRI or reach out to a physical therapist or get in touch with a local physician, you need to do that. It's incredibly important because, again, just feeling better, you have to help yourself. Medical professionals, getting your foot in the door, they will kind of set the path for you, but you have to walk down that path. And so, again, feeling better, which is obviously the primary concern always, but as far as any claim that you want to make against the at-fault party to be compensated, if you aren't compliant with the recommendations, follow-up appointments, hot pack, cool pack, stretches, physical therapy that you can do at home, exercise, diet, whatever the recommendations are. And if you go to medical care providers, they will tell you, a lot of times they'll give you a packet of exactly what to do, so you'll have it in writing that you can reference whenever you need to. Listening to them and making sure that you do everything that they tell you to do is incredibly important for your case, because if you are still in pain and it is the case that you did everything that was recommended, made all the follow-ups that you needed to, just, made time in your life, despite the inconvenience, to really listen to what medical professionals told you and take it to heart and do whatever you can to feel better, and you're still feeling pain, then you did what you could. And the at-fault party is responsible for that pain, whereas if you missed appointments, if you weren't diligent in doing the necessary steps that you could do on your own to make yourself feel better, and in the case of injuries that you can do that, it's not always the case that you can, but anyways,
it can be turned on you.
Yeah, exactly.
For sure. And so
it just gives easy ammunition to say, oh, okay, well, your pain right now is pretty severe. Sure, we'll give you.
Could it have been better?
We'll give you that.
Stay consistent.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Would it be a 1 though if you did what you're supposed to do? And it just taking away that ammunition before it even gets